Very, very good morning, friends. Warm welcome on behalf of the Institute of Value Education Society. Yet another batch of medical legal consultant. I have given intimation that new batch is starting and new people who are interested in becoming a medical legal consultant are very much waiting for sessions. So we thought, why not start for these people? We do have given opportunity to all the students also of last batch and previous batches to witness or get revised if at all they are interested in sessions. So I strongly believe that more you learn, more you become master in that. It is very essence that you should put yourself in learning. So if you are repeating it, that is really great for you. It is definitely going to give some more insight, rather revise everything. Probably you will be more benefit with that. And to all my new students here who are just a upcoming medical law student or upcoming medical legal consultant. For them, today I just thought of giving orientation exactly what and how this course is going to go. What are the criterias, how and what way we can become medical legal consultant or how we can practice in this country by getting such a knowledge. So friend, let me introduce myself. I am one of the speaker, orator, teacher of this batch. I have completed my post-graduation in medicine. I have completed my post-graduation in law. I have done PhD on philosophy. I'm blessed to have master's degree in philosophy and psychology, allied qualification in medical practice, pharmacy, pathology, physicism, pathology, yoga. I am sharing this to just motivate you because I am blessed with education. I strongly follow the path of education. And education is the bliss which I personally experienced in my journey of all this. Every qualification which I have opted has given me a boost to my practice, boost to my life. Many people definitely thought, sir, what you'll do with philosophy and psychology. I said it is much useful to me in court of law. The psychology to understand the client's mind, advocate's mind, other people. Philosophy definitely many of the things which I get opportunity to argue in a court of law. Plus naturally life-changing things which I have learned. So every degree which I have taken or every qualification which I have added to my has been used. That's the reason I say I strongly believe in education. And you being a student, you being a new learner, wanted to upgrade your knowledge, wanted to really become a medical legal consultant, are on the same journey. And I appreciate your concern for thirst of knowledge, hunger of knowledge. And definitely it is going to give a great. And I always used to say that never look to money when it comes to education, which we do naturally. And when the question comes to our own child's education, we become a parent, we being a parent, never ever think about the money. It could be 50,000 or 1 lakh rupees in a KG or junior KG or a senior KG, or if I go with the classes of 9, 10, huge lakhs of rupees of classes. If I go to 11, 12, all big institute, we pay lakhs of rupees to them. And when you go to post-graduation or graduation in any professional field, no limit to the money. So we blindly invest on education when it comes to our child. Same applies to us also. Why not invest? So by investing peanut amount of 30,000 in medical legal consult program, you have really proven your importance. We have knowingly kept so low fees. Otherwise, people used to say that why don't you charge 1 lakh and 2 lakh fees? Global Institute is always there to help the society. So it could be a medical legal consultant program or it could be any other program in their domain. Is absolutely most economic program. All the other programs available like a diet course, a counseling course, or digital marketing course are all below 10,000. But every course has got their own weightage, own professors, own people. This definitely, since my charges are heavy, they need to keep. But still, We try to keep this rates very low, which can be afforded by any. And to recover this money, friends, if you sincerely, seriously put yourself in education of these series of new batch, during the process also, you can recover your amount. Sending one notices or replying a one notice of your client, you can charge any limit. You can charge 10,000, you can charge 15,000, you can charge 30,000. Prices yours depend upon the client. Don't worry, we are going to support it, drafting the notices also. So not to worry, handling one case in tenure of 3 months or 6 months when you are with us, you can recover your 30,000. 30,000 is a very peanut amount. With one single client, you can recover that. So amount investment is secured if you act on that. But if you don't act on that, naturally, education is going to help you again. If you are not interested in doing a medical legal consultant, this 30,000 is going to be helpful to you for your own protection. Because majority of time, many scenario situation comes where you get feared with the law. And that was only because of the ignorance of law. Once you know the law, once you have got a knowledge of the law for your personal benefit, for your own benefit, you can definitely use this knowledge and you can protect yourself. In turn, you're going to save a huge amount, which probably would have invested in a fear